Alright, hey guys, so we just picked up a new washer and dryer, and the dryer has no electrical cord, which is normal. So I pulled the old one off my old dryer. I gotta hook it on this one. That's what matches the house, and I just gotta get it hooked in here. Now, for any electrical work, these little Ideal screwdrivers are really nice. Actually, it's a nut driver as well as a screwdriver. So I can just pull that off and use the nut driver portion for those small ones that match electrical stuff. So let's see what we have here. We've got our ground. I see a black, a white, and a red, which should match. Yep. Alright. So the way these work, and I'm no expert at these, I've just done it once before. So I'm going to bring these individuals in and finagle them. I think we can actually use nut driver the whole way. Outside was the larger nut. Yep. In here is the smaller nut. So this will be the red wire. And you can just barely see the wire above it, which is what I'm basing all this off of. No book or anything like that. The white. Now also I'm leaving these a little bit loose, so I've got a little bit of wiggle room. And the other thing, I'm flipping these so that the flat part will be up against this flat part and the wire is in front of this ring. That way it hooks up better. You get a better physical hookup. You got more surface contact. This is the black. My other dryer had some paperwork on the back of it, well, the label really, that was mentioning a 3-wire and a 4-wire system. Apparently both my dryers are 4-wire. I don't know. Well, that's the bigger side. So here's my ground. This might be interesting. Okay. So because they don't have all 4 of these on the same, maybe that's why some are 3-wire, some are 4-wire. Maybe the 3 wires aren't grounded. I'm not sure. All right. Let's see if I can't get this hooked through both of these. And I get those two offset a little bit so they can lay on each other. Flip this back to the small size and just snug each of these down. And see, it's big size for this. That's actually looks a little bit better because on the other one, this large insulation was hanging out. I had individual wires hanging out. So this one seals up a little bit nicer. Oh, there's the tabs. This is a Maytag Bravos, right there.
Bravos XL.
Bravos XL. She picked it out. It's her dryer.
If you want to start doing laundry, that's okay.
No, I'm good. I'm good. All right. So now just put this back. Didn't have to use a single screwdriver bit, but I used both those inserts. You see there's smaller side, larger side, and you can actually see those two bits are different sizes. So this is a very nice tool made by Ideal. It's great for electrical work, as you've seen here, and also on the back it's got a what am I thinking? A wire nut driver. So they say that should fit any size. Not affiliated with Ideal. I find some nice tools and just want to share them because they make my life easier for doing all this work, all this electrical work. I'm not a professional electrician. I just do what I have to. You know, new wires on a dryer, new outlets, new switches, things like that. Just maintenance. So, but that's how you switch a wire out on a dryer. So, see you next time.